In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the door switches on this Audi A4. This is going to be located in the door panel on the inside of the car. Let's get into it. Underneath the handle, I'm just using a trim tool. Just pop this cover off. That comes off. It's just clipped in. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, there's 2 screws. Take those out. Take this trim piece off. I'm just going to use a trim tool. Just get underneath here. Just pop this out. Just comes out like that. So it just kind of slides forward a little bit. And these just pop out. And we have some Phillips head screws. Take these screws out with a Phillips head screwdriver. Underneath, there's a screw right there. Is the Phillips head screwdriver. And take that out. And you can go around the perimeter just using a trim tool. I'll just pop it off. It's just clipped in. Pull it out. And then lift up. And we can disconnect the cable. Just grab the cable, just pull that towards the door, and then just take the hook off. And for the harness, disconnect the connector. There's a connector over at the speaker. Just pop those out. And there's a connector on this module here. Going to use a trim tool just to push this little tab under here, and then this ratchets down. You can see where there's the little tab. Just push on that, just with a trim tool or even a pocket screwdriver. On the back of the door panel, we're going to use a T20 socket. Take these screws out. All those out. Just grab the handle with it flipped over, and you can disconnect the connector right here. I'm just going to use a pick. Just push down on the tab, slide that out. Then this one right here, there's a little tab on the side. Push that down with a pick. Just get in here, release the connector. There's just a little tab right there. You just want to push down on that tab. There, and it slides right out. We're going to separate the bezel from the armrest. I'm just using a pick. Just get underneath here. Just slide this up, just like that. That comes out. Now to get the switch out, you can just push in between here with a pick or a straight blade screwdriver. Put a little pressure from the other side just to get the clips out. Right there. Right there and right there. There's the old switch. Take the new switch, same way it came out. Just push it in, Make sure it locks in place. Take the bezel, slide it in position over the armrest. That's good. Take the connector, line that up, lock that in. Take the other connector, get that lined up, lock that down, just line up the armrest, flip it over, and take the screws, get those all started. Now tighten those all down. Now take the door panel, we'll connect the wires. This one goes to the speaker. Push that in there. This one's going to go to the module. Lock it in place. Take the hook, install the cable, just push that in place. Just make sure that operates. That's good. Slide the top in. Make sure the panel's lined up. And push it in place. That's good. And take the screws. Get those started, snug those down. Snug these down. And snug those down. And take this trim piece. This piece is going to slide in on the back. And just push that in. This trim piece under here. Just get that lined up. There we go. Push it down. After you're done, you want to turn the key on, and you can see the automatic function isn't working, so we just have to recalibrate it. So we're going to push it down, hold it for 3 to 5 seconds, and let go. Then we're going to push it, hold it up, go all the way to the top, and then hold it for 3 to 5 seconds. There we go. That works all the way down. And it works all the way up.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.